Hello students, I'm Rumana, your educator at Unacademy. Let me introduce you to a very interesting idiom that is called pardon my French. When do we use this? When we say something that we feel can offend the other person or could be a curse word or something that can be a profane. So we say that, pardon my French, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. This also refers to the way that this could be a French language, a foreign language, which really didn't mean the way you are expecting it to be. So I don't mean what I'm saying. It's just pardon my French. I don't mean to hurt you. I don't mean to offend you. So this was quite interesting. And let me tell you, idioms are absolutely amazing and they convey meanings that are not just literal but metaphorical and symbolic and extended meaning. So use them in your communication and conversation every day to enhance your communication skills and to impress people, maybe your friends, your relatives, your family members, who will be really amazed to hear you speak like smart. Okay, and I'll come up with more interesting fun facts and interesting English phrases and words. So see you all. Bye bye.